Beautiful start to the day, still holding on, plenty of sunshine out there. Taking a look from Cheyenne Mountain, Colorado Lottery, bringing us this view. That's downtown Colorado Springs right there. Take a look at that. Not much development yet up towards this neck of the woods, but you do head down south. That's where we are seeing some of those thunderstorms rapidly developing. Here we are down, moving right east towards Trinidad and Los Animas County and the San Luis Valley. It's where a majority of that development is for now. And keep an eye though out towards Salida, where we are starting to see some pop-up storms. Really, we got 1 or 2 hours left of this development before clouds begin to roll over the mountains and showers storm towards that I-25 corridor. So going to keep a very close eye on that. For today, though, seasonable temperatures are in the forecast. 88 in Colorado Springs, 93 in Pueblo, and you do head out towards the plains. Going to be holding on to some of that heat, mid to upper 90s in the forecast for today. So certainly be sure to stay hydrated. Remember that sunscreen. Try to limit your exposure, because with that sunshine in full force as we do await some of those clouds, certainly can take a toll on the body after excessive amounts of time. So for the next 2 days, we're going to have some of those scattered showers, thunderstorms. Main event comes this weekend, though. We're anticipating some more steady, widespread rain for the region. You know, getting rain for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in the forecast. Saturated soil, urban areas, going to keep an eye on that flash flood threat. More on that in just a minute, but let's take a look at this overall setup. So for today, that high pressure is still dominating us. What this is doing, kind of trapping some of that monsoonal moisture, but we're not dealing with a direct flow. Winds are actually blowing west over the mountains. Then we're going to start to see this pivot east into tomorrow. Jump this ahead towards the weekend. That's where that biggest change does happen. That's where we're going to see that high pressure move towards the Midwest with that monsoonal flow directly overhead. Opens up once again the chance for some of that heavy, steady, and slow-moving rain to move towards our area. Timing out that rain for today, though, before we take a look at that weekend. Showers, thunderstorms already developing mainly towards that San Luis Valley right now. And then as we do push this ahead towards the later afternoon hours, by about rush hour, that's when we're going to start to see some of those storms moving out towards the plains, as well as making an impact up towards northern portions of that I-25 corridor. And then they will kind of continue. But once that sun does set, here we are, 7 o'clock. Once the sun does set, like we were saying, we're going to see those storms rapidly start to fall apart. Just a few sprinkles will remain. We're going to lose any of that instability and daytime cooling that we were holding on to today. Overnight, we're actually going to clear out plenty of sunshine for tomorrow morning when you are going to be making your commute. Here we are, 8 a.m. Not a cloud is expected in the sky, so very similar to what we saw for today, but today, 88 degrees. Showers, thunderstorms can't be ruled out along that I-25 corridor, continuing out towards the plains. Now, for tomorrow, that heat is on full force, so might be a nice day during those early afternoon hours. Start that weekend off with a bang. Get some ice cream. 3 p.m. still going to be holding off on that rain. 90 degrees out there, but once we head towards the afternoon into the evening hours, temperatures, yeah, they cool off, but also going to be holding on to that threat of some rain. So here we are. Once that monsoonal flow moves in, taking a look at Saturday, you're going to see this rain is going to become very widespread over the area. And, well, this does linger into Sunday as well. So certainly something we're going to keep an eye on with 2 days in a row of the steadier rain in the forecast. Going to have to keep you guys updated, so be sure to stay tuned. We'll stay on top of this with the latest alerts. But taking a look at your 7-day forecast now, higher elevation areas going to hold on to rain throughout the majority of this 7-day forecast. Warm temperatures as well before we do get into the start of the next work week. Taking a look, Canyon City, heat in full force for Friday, 96 degrees. Elevated rain chances for the weekend, actually holding on into your Monday. Then maybe some relief as we get towards the middle of next work week. Pueblo, keeping an eye on Friday. Triple digits just can't be ruled out yet. Really depends once those clouds and thunderstorms move off the mountains towards that corridor. Saturday, Sunday, elevated rain chances holding on into Monday before we do get that relief as you get towards the middle of next week. Downtown Colorado Springs, going to be about 6 degrees above average for Friday. Elevated rain chances really linger up until Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, looks like we begin to come out. Temperatures cool off just a bit. Going to be much more seasonable out there. So active weather, we'll do our best. Keep you guys updated.
Whole lot of rain chances. Joe, thanks so much. Let's take